Tesla launches fresh USA promotions for the Model 3. Tesla has launched fresh incentives for the Model 3 sedan, coming as the automaker aims to ramp up deliveries as part of its end-of-quarter push. With just a few weeks left in the first quarter of year, Tesla is now offering 3 separate incentives for all Model 3 trims in the USA, including 0% APR financing, $0 due at signing, and 60-month terms. The promos were announced on social media, and they're currently also detailed on the company's order configurator for the electric vehicle EV. Tesla North America announces a new set of incentives for the re-engineered Model 3 sedan, 0% APR for all Model 3 trims, $0 due at signing, 60-month terms. Not bad at all for one of the best bang-for-the-buck vehicles, electric or otherwise, in the market today. To qualify for the 0% APR deal in the USA, buyers must put a down payment of at least 15% down, though Tesla also says the federal tax credit can go toward this if eligible. The $0 due at signing deal comes at a 0.99% APR with the use of the tax credit, and both of the deals come with 60-month terms. At the time of writing, the $7,500 federal tax credit is also still available for all 3 Model 3 trims. Amidst some speculation around whether or not the Trump administration could do away with the government incentive, Tesla's website does not currently show the incentive on the order configurator in Canada, though the company is still offering a 0.99% APR deal on orders placed before March 7th. On the Mexico order configurator, neither of these promotions are currently available. It's common for Tesla to push additional promos at the end of each quarter, and especially at the end of the year, to try to boost delivery numbers that will be included with quarterly data. The news also comes after Tesla began deliveries of the Model Y refresh in the US earlier this week. After first deliveries of the Gigafactory Shanghai-built SUV started going out last week, Tesla originally launched the refreshed Model 3 last January, a few months after the redesigned sedan became available in the Asia-Pacific and Europe-Middle East markets. Not unlike the recently launched Model Y, the Model 3 Highland came with a number of interior and exterior upgrades in 2 configurations. Before Tesla launched the highly anticipated performance trim in May. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.